hello everybody. Hello birds. Today I am mysterious for here. And Sir allowed me to, look on her, to let me get on her laptop. So, so I, so I am, I'm serious first now. And see, well, even really, Sylvester, like, saw this again, 11 minutes, and I like, about why is we doing this, but we not gonna spoil it. So we here, and Sylvester, like, give me this video to announce too. So, yeah. Now this name is the name is Super Suicide, and it's by Patty. Wow. No. So I guess that's the same person than the C152 last time. So, yeah. Right now it was uploaded like 2 days ago. So, yeah. And since this rerun says new, it didn't have that many views, but we'll see if you guys watch it. So yeah, now Sir tell me about how this show would be like creepy or weird. So I don't think it's gonna be like scary or weird, but I think it's kind of weird. What's going on? Watch this, lady. Oh, Super House. House. Isn't we or Super here we go? I don't see when he does this. Oh, that's why I can't tweet. Oh,
SpongeBob, Patrick, keep it down. I need to practice for a concert I have tonight.
Yeah, you can keep trying.
Okay. Come on, Patrick. Let's go to Sandy's house.
Okay, so they left. Okay, this will be my song. I'm going to hear that. 3 hours later.
And now we are proud to present Squidward 10.
Okay, oh my god, he's on a concert. Oh, you scared. Okay. Sponsor Patrick, why are you here? Siri doesn't like that. What happened? Man, why are you being so bad now, Squidward? It was fine the last time. What? Did they don't like it? Squidward, where is your internet go? Do you saw disappear after you see me bat it? Squidward, rub it to your eyes. Oh my god. Huh? Oh my god. What are you doing with your gun? Did he die? Sorry, baby. You hear something? Ten. There's maybe some answer something. So that was Kama Theory. I don't know why Star Master called his video theory, but yeah, it is. Yeah, and it seems to be a little bit different than she told me. So I guess we take a look and see what happened. I could go ahead and search so well about what this is about. So I'm gonna go back to you in a moment. Okay guys, I'm back. And apparently this is a creepypasta. Wow. I guess this is paper Patma says he raised white weird videos, so yeah, I'm not gonna read all this, but that's what I got. So yeah. So yeah. So I guess this is the end of the video. So bye. Seriously, I'm not gonna read all this.